Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showing you how to fix the Instagram music no result found in iPhone. So guys, if you're using any iOS device and when you want to search any music on your Instagram story or on your Instagram reels and facing the issue that no result found, so guys, you can easily fix all these problems. So first method is you have to open your app store on your iPhone or on your iPad, and here you need to search Instagram. And guys, after this you have to wait for some seconds, open your Instagram app here, and you need to update your Instagram. And after doing update, a new music will be added on your app, and after doing this you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open your settings on your iPhone and click on general, click on iPhone storage, and now you have to wait for some seconds, scroll it below. From here you have to open your Instagram app and offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this you need to open your Instagram and check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to click on three lines, scroll it down and click on help, click on report a problem, and you have to write here your problem that you're facing again and again and upload a screenshot. And guys, after doing all these problem, after writing all these problems, you have to send your appeal. Within few minutes they will review your appeal and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.